In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to create overlapping column charts. Overlapping column charts are an appropriate way to graph two datasets where one is inherently a part of the other. Surveyed population versus entire population, progress towards a goal or against the target. Overlapping column charts and overlapping bar charts, to mention them too, show surplus and shortfall so well. Excel 2013 has no built-in overlapping column chart, but a clustered column chart will do the trick. Let's have a look at the data first. In column B, we have the first 6 months of the year. In column C, the revenue, and in column D, the targets for each month. As you can see, the targets are different in some months, but be rest assured, an overlapping column chart can handle this easily. You can even change the target figures later and the chart will update automatically. On the right side, you can see the finished chart. The revenue figures are emphasized by a darker color. The target figures are displayed by a small frame and a lighter color. Let's begin. Highlight the range of cells containing your data. Then go to Insert and then across to Chart. In the Charts section, click on the small column icon and here click on the Clustered Column option. At the moment, the two columns representing revenue and targets are side by side. All we need to do is to bring the revenue column in front of the target column. Right-click into one of the blue columns and go to Change Series Chart Type. Tick the box for secondary axis beside revenue and click on OK. It looks odd. It looks as if we had no target numbers at all. But stop. The two axes have different lower and upper bounds. The left axis starts at 14,000 and finishes at 17,500. And the right axis starts at 0 and finishes at 20,000. We have to fix this first by changing the upper and lower bounds of the left axis so that both axes match. Right-click into the axis area on the left and go to Format Axis. In Axis Options, change the minimum bound to 0 and the maximum bound to 20,000. The rest is simple formatting. Click into the orange column area. In Series Options, change the gap width to 140. In the Fill and Line section, change the fill to a light blue and the borderline to a darker blue. As both axes display the same information, and because we tend to read from left to right, we can get rid of the right axis. Right-click onto the axis. In the Axis Options section, go to Labels and set the label position to None. Finally, remove the grid lines. Right-click on one of the lines and click on Delete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and you will get updates when new videos come out.